Hi friends, Fossy here, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick bedtime yoga routine that's guaranteed to help you relax and sleep better after a hard day of hiking. And best of all, you can do it inside your tent. Let's get started.
We'll begin in child's pose. From a kneeling position, bring your big toes together and your knees about hip distance apart. Set your hips back onto your heels as you extend your torso forward, laying your stomach onto your thighs. Let your shoulders round forward, allowing your forehead to rest gently on the floor. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths. We enter hero pose from a kneeling position. Bring your knees together while you move your feet slightly wider than hip width apart. Sink yourself down between your heels, keeping your torso upright. If you need an easier modification, you can add a blanket or pillow or jacket underneath your butt to support yourself. For a harder modification, you can enter reclining hero pose. Hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths. Stop immediately if you have pain in your knees. Our first back bend is upward facing dog. Lie face down on your stomach. Bend your arms and place your wrists underneath your elbows. Inhale and straighten your arms so that your shoulders are directly above your wrists as you lift your thighs and knees off the floor. Hold for 1 to 5 breaths. Fire log pose is a great hip opener. From a seated position, bend both legs in together, one on top of the other, shins parallel, stacking your ankles over your knees. For a deeper stretch, you can bend at the hips. Do this on both sides. Hold for 5 to 10 breaths. We'll start our spinal twists on our backs. Bend your knees into your chest. Drop both knees to the right side and hold on to them with your right hand. Twist your upper back to the left and turn your head towards the left. Hold here. Repeat on the other side. Hold each side for 5 to 10 breaths. Bridge pose. Lie on your back. Bend your knees so that they are directly over your ankles. Keep the back of your head and shoulders on the floor as you press your heels down and lift your hips up. Roll your shoulders underneath one at a time. Hold this for 5 breaths. Knees to chest pose. Lying on your back, exhale and bend both of your knees into your chest. Grasp your shins. Draw your shoulders back and hug your knees closer to your chest, lengthening your spine. Hold for 5 breaths. Corpse pose. Lie on your back. Let your arms and legs fall open. Allow all tension from your body to be released. Quiet your mind and focus on your breath. Breathe here for 3 to 10 minutes. Namaste.